Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, reviews, hauls, makeup, hair, skincare, you name it. So if this kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, enjoy the family, enjoy us. I'd like to say thank you so much, American supporters. Love you guys. We're gonna have in the description of this video my Instagram and my TikTok if you guys decide to check me out there, and don't forget to comment in one of my posts so I can follow you back if you follow me. So I'm talking to them much. Thank you. So today's video, I'm going to be attempting to install my taping extension myself. So God help me, because I don't know, I think we're gonna be able to do it. So my hair extension is for Irresistible Me. This is 2-pack of a 20-inch and then 1-pack of I think it's 22-inch. So I put it like the 2 shoulder package like around the face, and then I put the longer one more in the back, so give you like a little bit more of layer, I guess. I like that way. So yeah, so this is 100% human hair, Remy hair, and the color is ombre brown if I'm not mistaken, but I'm gonna have a description of this video for you guys all the info about the hair, the link for Irresistible Me, and don't forget to check them out. They have a great sales going on all the time. So, and the hair is pure color quality. I've been using them for years and never disappoint me. They have a bunch of tape-in, clip-in, ponytails, and some tools, so they have amazing hair. So I'm talking to them much, and this video I hope don't get so long. Let's attempt to install them. All right, so let's do this. Thank you so much for watching. So this is the hair before the taping extension, and so we're going to need for today's video DIY taping extension. So I wish I had a better background for you guys, but this is the only like best placement that I found for the camera, because my big floor mirror is right here behind me, so I need to have that for see my back, and I have a small mirror in front of me. So sorry about the background a little bit, but I could not move this huge mirror elsewhere for give you a better background, so bear with me. So we're going to need the hair. Here I have a 3 package of Irresistible Me taping hair extension. There we have it, the box, and here is how the hair extension come. Each package come in this little package, and here you have a little testing piece. So before you open this piece, you open this one, make sure the color and the texture is what you want, and if you don't want to, don't open this, and you just send back and get a refund or exchange for another hair. So yeah, that's the packaging. So I'm gonna put this down. Okay, so here's the hair. This hair is gorgeous. It's the same one that I've been using. This is like a ombre kind of color, so you have a dark in the roots and then light on the bottom. And here I have 3 sets of 20. So, and I have one, this one is 24-inch. I'm gonna put like on the back so I can have a longer. I'm gonna try to make like a kind of V shape, so I can put the 2 smaller in like the sides and put the longer one in the back. So I have 2 sets of 20 and 1 set of 24 or 22. I have to check and I'll let you guys know. But the hair is gorgeous, super beautiful, super healthy. Love this hair, love the texture. And this hair extension actually is one of the hair extensions that never slip out. Like all the brands that I used, ours like a 1 or 2 hair extension, the tape they slip out. This one actually never slips out. It's always in place, and the hair is full all the way to the end. They are gorgeous. These are 100% human Remy hair. from Irresistible Me. So I'm gonna have the link for them down below if you guys decide to give them a try or check them out. I love the hair extension. They always look amazing and it's super soft. Does not smell like chemical or nothing. Love it. So this is what we're gonna need for today's video. I'm already talking too much. Let's get into this video. So don't get so long. So you're gonna need the taping extension. I have my here. I'm gonna put it here in the box. And you're gonna need some hair clips. So I have some of these hair clips here. I probably need more. I just have 2 here, but I'm gonna try to do 2. If I don't can, I'm gonna get more. So hair clips, and then you're gonna need a comb of some sort. This is a red comb tail. First thing you're gonna do is, so my hair is washed and clean and just dried. I just straighten a little bit because my hair is actually curly, wavy. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing in the back. Alright guys, so I separate the hair. I have like the sides parts are separated that we're going to start installing. Bear with me. Alright, so this is pretty simple here. You just want to get your tape and put it. I try to put as close to the root as I can, but you shouldn't do that because you actually can pull out your hair. But I feel like the tape lasts me longer if I put it real close to the root. I don't know, maybe it's just think of my head. But when I have somebody install them, they actually put a little bit lower than where I'm putting today. And that's it. You just glue on your hair, you separate the hair, you take the excess hair out, and then you just glue the second tape on the top of the first tape. Then you get your flat iron and just tap a little bit so you help that glue to melt a little bit and the 2 tape to stick together. That's gonna make your taping extension stay in place longer. So make sure that it's not so hot. It's like 120 or 150 Fahrenheit. And that's pretty much it. So we're just going to repeat the same process all over, and I try to put them close to one another so I don't have any gaps on my hair. So that just make you know, easier on the end. So that's pretty much it. So just separate hair and go section by section. I don't like to part like the hair exactly the way everybody else does. I just go filling in where I think that's needs hair, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Let me know in the comment below what you think of this. It was hard, but I did it. So one more row of 2. So that's it for this side. Alright, so I don't want to straighten anymore because later I'm planning to do like a heatless wave. thing like overnight, you know, the thing that you put and you wrap your hair. So let's see if it works. So I'm gonna film a video on that too for you guys. So that's why I don't want you straight, really straight, because I'm gonna curl it anyway. So but this side it's done. So I did it. I applied my taping all by myself. So I'm gonna go out of camera, do this side, and then I'll be right back to you guys, because I just have like 3 pieces left here. So see you. Alright guys, so this is the final results. I put a little clip here with the before and after so you guys can see, and I did it. It was hard, but we did it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you later. Bye. Alright guys, so this is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and the hair is gorgeous. So info for the hair and for Irresistible Me is going to be on the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. I see you guys next video.